We're moving, man. We're moving. Thank you, Jesus. Shit. Shit, we make a hell of a team, don't we, man? Don't we?
What in hell's he doing out there? He looks sick! Damn! Damn! Ow! Better call a paramedic.
Something's wrong.
Take it easy, Manny. They know what they're doing.
Pulaski! Hello, Pulaski!
Pulaski?
This is Cassidy! Al fell off the engine! He's dead! You've got a runaway coming your way on track 2!
What did you say?
4 units! Stop them for God's sakes! Speak up, Pulaski!
Okay. Switch it to track 11.
I can't! It's too late!
Central? Damn you, Central! Emergency! Pick up the goddamn phone!
Ooh, boy, would I like to have some of this here for dessert. To go. Hey, Ruby, why don't you answer the phone? Hey, come on, Ruby, you pretty enough. Oh, shit, man, your ass is so lazy. Why the fuck you got a job in? Yeah, Central, Dave Prince speaking.
This is Pulaski. Get me Barstow.
Yeah, hold it, Pulaski.
Hold it, my ass! Where the hell is Barstow? We got an emergency. A big emergency.
We got 4 unmanned units.
What?
I said we got runaway units. 4 of them. They're headed this way.
Ruby, go get Frank now. Run, come on. God damn it, get moving now. We got a mercy here. Hold it, Pulaski, okay? He's coming.
It's the phone, Frankie.
Frank, get your ass out here, man. We got a runaway on 11.
Central, where are you, Central? God damn it.
I'm here, Pulaski. What seems to be the trouble?
We got a runaway on track 11. The goddamn engineer fell off the train.
You sure nobody else is on board?
How the hell do I know? It's already gone about 9 miles and it's increasing speed.
9 miles already?
That's right. What the hell are we gonna do? You better stop.
Hey, look, be quiet. Will you calm down?
Okay.
Now, look, what I want you to do, I want you to line her onto the main line on track 1.
Okay.
You got it?
Right.
I'll take things over from there.
Right, Frank. Shit!
This sucker is flying, Manny.
Should have hooked into those freight cars by now.
Ah, smile, man. We're free. Yeah.
You think so, eh?
Yeah. Hey, Manny, I want you to know I'm proud to be hooked up with you, partner.
Look, kid, I appreciate what you done, but you ain't no kind of partner to me. Don't be clowning yourself. I don't like it. Look at them tattoos. They look really nice at a swimming pool in Acapulco.
What'd I do to deserve all this shit you're slinging at me, man?
You don't know nothing from nothing. Being around me is really stupid. I'm at war with the world, everybody in it. And you're gonna get hurt.
I don't get you, man.
Well, rapos usually are pretty dumb.
Rapo? I ain't no goddamn rapo, man. Where'd you get that from?
It's on your rap sheet. Busted for rape 2 years ago.
Yeah, man. That was a statutory rape. And she was 15 and I was older than her.
That's good. What's wrong with you? You dying for company?
What? What, you expect somebody to be watching or something?
I expect nothing.